today I'm going to draw a cute little baby turtle, and it's going to be awesome, and it's going to be cute. Trust me. Let's go. So guys, I'm very excited, and I'm very happy that I'm drawing a little cute little baby turtle. And so let's go. So the first step, going to draw some little cute little baby seeds. They're like seeds. I'm going to and then I'm going to take my scale and mark the line on the top and bottom. Let's go, and I'm going to do it in a second. And now it's done. So, and now I'm going to make its shell. It's going to be a big upside down U. It looks like a hat, but it's not going to look like a hat after this. Now I'm going to make a half circle like this, and some lines connecting to the other line. Now I'm going to make its bottom part. So it's going to be coming from here. And here. And then I'm going to be connecting it. And now I have connected it. Now I'm going to making some lines in it. At the end and in the front first. Now I'm going to make their legs. So the first leg is going to be coming from here and going down like here. And this is going to be like it. And now I'm going to make the other foot and combine them like this. Now it don't look like a foot, but it's going to look like a foot. We're going to make some small M's in it. And I'm going to make the other foot. It's going to be right here. And another one is going to be right up here. When it's done, I'm going to be doing some erasing. So guys, I have erased the lines which was in the foot. I'm going to make outside the foot some lines as well. And these are going to be some big lines. Like this. Now, the final thing is like I'm going to make its head. I'm going to be going up like this And then I'm going to be going like this. Now I'm going to make the circle. It's going to be round and connected to the other line. Like this. And then I'm going to make his mouth. And then sides. Like this. And now I'm going to color them. So first I'm going to take a light green marker and I'm going to color in their baby toes. Now I'm going to take a red marker and color in its mouth. Now I'm going to color its eyes and it's going to be black. And don't forget, don't color the circles in the eyes, only color this part. Like this. And after that, I'm going to be outlining its shell with light green. And then I'm going to take dark green and outline this half circle and these lines connected to that line. Like this. Oh, we almost forgot that we have to make some lines in this part as well. Like this. After this, I'm going to take yellow color marker and I'm going to outline these lines. Like this, and a down line as well. And the whole downer part. Like this. And after that, I'm going to color his feet with some dark green. Like this. Like this. Like this. And like this. Now color the feet. Now I'm going to color the shell. And now I'm going to color this part yellow. Now color this part yellow. And now at the end, and the final one I'm going to color is his face. And it's going to be dark green as well. Don't forget, don't color the white eyes. Like this. And now I'm going to outline its feet. Hey guys, we're finally done drawing with our little baby turtle and it looks so great. Please tell me in the comments that how do you think it looks, and see you later. Bye bye, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.